The herbs. Are you ready? The most powerful thing in the entire world is a thing called culture. And let's hear it Atlanta for Louis Culture. Well, Rudy don't feel no boy, Rudy don't feel. Tell them so we don't feel. Spoiler, Southside Tel Aviv, whole of Jamaica stays, so New York, Brooklyn. 1,000 children on the night side and 10,000 at the right hand. None of them. Hey, why Rudy don't feel no boy, no we don't feel. Tell them so we don't feel no boy, no we don't fear. Atlanta never fear no boy, no we don't fear. Tell them so we don't fear no boy, no we don't fear. Tell them we do not ridiculous and run out. Anyway you reach a bogus match up a pub. It's in a jam down and run come to Corinth. 1 4 done everything. The gangster is godless, jobless. Not why should test every move that protect. Everybody else say yes, we deal with progress. And enough respect. If you this Rastafari, you up your one and they go in up here. No boy, no we don't. Atlanta don't fear. No boy, no we don't fear. Oh, I walk through the valley of the shadow of the gangster. Fear no evil. Now we not each up, we not catch up. We don't have no time to gossip with evil as people. Well, and the Father we are worker and not the devil. Adam come here for heal, we never come here for never know you fi do that. But the coat and bamba on the road to Zion, there's a lot of stuff live, but we don't fear no boy. Tell them so we don't fear no boy. You know, well you should never judge a man by the looks or the size. He could be a gangster under disguise. Don't judge a book by the cover that the wise. Next one. Hey, why straight from down rock. The copy don't think that's who we can be straight back. I never say so what we say. Come on! I we know about that blood. You know, you know, let's go there. Rastafari. Pull up. We have to big up the promoters them. We make this happen. Large up Rivali. Large up Sean. Papa Biggie. And the whole crew. Louis Gangalia pass through, and we have to say how they do. Let's go make it run. Hey, hey. Why yo, why it's like a boat with the figure and the figure. I'm easy, figure straight from jam rap. The time is up, figure to me jam straight rap. And in the place I want to stop, we are going about and love you must be back the goodness. Dead formation from birth. All the running slow, get to use up the weekend, but we do over like birth. So that's about and love you must be back the goodness. Dead formation from birth. All the running slow, get to use up the weekend, but we do over like birth. When I say yellow Rastafari on the flex, yes sir. And then the people call me true friend sex. Yellow all the female sex, yes sir. We lick them up for the boy sex. As a man when we are pants and shirt, you please to make love to the blouse and skirt. Yes, we and our birds, no prospect to be virgin with birds. But from this man that we not divert. Eat the bird, for us to this to my heart. So tell them about and love, you must be mad, we're gonna do that. All the running slow, what to do? Well now the little playground has become a back to build you everybody around this still. Well yesterday, Rasta Road. Let's go. juggling, we running. We will never pop it off. Who are guys, man, tell me report. Oh, you get your front side, take it off. But get the front side to report. Youngster, if it does, with me like the love, my client, and my father, with the trouble, with the blessings of me, it's on me, something out the road. Destination leads to Zion, so me must follow the code. Not no can't stop with no, not even bad code. I'm selected, unelected, up on the unpaid code. Far from it, look it up it. I see a bad code, lyrics will not be I got one who are ready to kill. They won't come in on the sheet closer. Lyrics about God stands of it. And then now you get the front side. Pick up and get the front side. Get this straight. I know yesterday, not today. Me a wait. You know how long now me stand up at the gate. You know how much time they pass me with the plate. Now me grab a pan and slice. A headache. I go move mountains. So with my plate. Go show them. Youngster me is great. Two things can never be good up and hate. But I don't forget this straight. Do it. Till it come on, guys. No, stop it, stop it. Alright. No, we want to see everything, because watch it. If you take a sheep out of the sheep pasture and put the sheep into a hack pen, the sheep is still a sheep. Isn't it so? So when them take we from Africa and carry all over, and we are kind of name American and Jamaican and all kind of name. We are Africa. Africa is the foundation of civilization. So we say, let it go. See how we do. Hey! What about Africa? Whenever you cry, I cry too. Choo, choo, choo. Rasta here, big up yourself. Hey! And we're Christian soldiers ready to go march and free Africa. And we're Christian soldiers ready with the touch. Let me start the fire and sing Africa, we are cold. Come on, put your guns. Africa, the time is here. And Mama will always be there for me. Set them free. I remember in the days of old, when black men were bought and sold. But what we have, they try to kill us and take control. So them rob silver and gold. That's why we should all over the world. And some boys and beautiful girls. But they never know we would rise up in this world once more. Now to shine like diamond and pearl. So we sing Africa, we are gold. Mama, put your guns. Africa, the time is here. Bounce it look. Come make we circle Africa. Come make we circle Africa. That is the land of the forefather. Circle Africa. Come make we circle Africa. That is the land of the ancestor. Now we start up in the big city where they've got Ethiopia. The capital to that city is Addis Ababa. We make Canada just and then we reach over in Kenya. We stop at Sudan and then to Saudi Arabia. Them have island that place more than all them have water. We make Canada just and then we reach a Uganda. The capital to that country, them call it Kampala. We make Canada move and then we reach a Botswana. With one heap of countries, some of them we don't remember. Algeria, Nigeria, Italy, Bolivia, Angola, Zambia, and Equatorial. Hey! Over here, figure it, over there. Over here. Hey, I love the vibes that you bring. I love the vibes of the levels, everything. I love the vibes that you bring. Rasta man of the top. When I spot you out from a far distance, eyes where you brain. Rest of my vision. Well, she no run down diamond. The woman she no run down pearl. Me check it out, is a ancient daughter, but she living in a modern world. Now to all empress for me respect you. Rude boy, give them access to go through. You disrespect and we want know who make me little empress feel blue. Listen, over here. Support when they want to promote for them and what they about them. Hey! I saw it. I love that to see. When them never support when they want to promote for them and what they about them up and try to make your politics and me not vote for them, tell me nothing good. Then submarine become sick and the road never do. Man, all I do to them go and well like a goat. We take that to bank, take that to go. We taking over import, export and import. No mention the war, but let's be here too. Now the whole of them take to make answer. Tell them. When them better than that chapter. Look. Don't you ever feel the strength? That's where we need something now. Don't you put up that try. Around another guy. Put your shoulders to the wheel. Hey, you and I must equal. Come on, brother man. Give a helping hand. Give it up. I brought you one time. Go. Let's believe my bitch in the yard. Watch out, come. My time. When we go blast on machine and cocoa, Congo peas, gully bean and cocoa, a vegetable with the steam with all chocho. Look at that pretty great neck toto. Never miss on me plant some cassava. Papa no ya miss a Wyoming go harder. In the job I become him great grandfather. Daddy say when he come to pushing and no bother. So don't dance out, I will not go. I will just go, You're bad, you're tough, you're rough, dumpling. I want to be free from all chains and all mangles and rope. Free from all bars and all borders and rope. Free to praise and all become in that place. Somebody know you are watching mercy, Babylon. Me a believe my faith, that means me a believe my hope. Life from for naught, but within me have to cope. Some take it on the level, some slide down the slope. And everybody run deep, but gangly have to float. I was Officer, no one can decide my destiny. All I can decide my destiny. Hunter, I want to be from my chains and I'll make this happen. How you feeling? How you feeling? Do you want some more? I wanna bring from my chains and I'll make this head go. Bring from my bars and I'll bar this and go. Bring the pressure and becoming a present for. So I know you want your visit on the land so. Me a bully for me, that is me a bully for oh. Life from my heart, the beat me up the go. So take it on the level, so slide down this up. And then give her a beat, but I know we have to go. I was born to be free. How we yes, how we all got the come on, all got the and what eyes they will see. Tell me no come some people come to something love. Me get put on the shadow, me complete. Now in my run, of course it is my stop. You tell us to go, you want to accept the God. But now it's really come on, me get turned into the stop. Think what you want, and I walk with crowd. He checked me, man, he was poor, but with the God. He was like all this, he was an Allah. I was born to be free. How we yes, how we all got the and what eyes they will see. So we go tell them to let me go to what me feel like. Just send me out to me, my husband. I am busy, but anybody. Something like the red. I was born to be free. How we? Yes, how we? Yeah, I'm one. So we say, but we don't find the herb. I say it's the best. I couldn't come back home because they burn up me say. Alright. Don't play. One thing I have to tell you. Yes, give thanks, princess. Atlanta, full of some nice and beautiful and beautiful ladies. So all of the girls, everyone wants to be cute and a beautiful. Watch out. Scream! Woman looking fine. And here's this girl in the she got the eyes of an angel, pretty like a rose. Splendid, she look from head down to toe. Girl, just say yes and make me sing on the ring. Every time about the days, only you want some to sing. No, girl can't make you worry. But it can't make you fret. How are you a being a nice young girl? I know people won't get some. Nobody can make you worry. No, come on, Miss Earth, come the top. When the bottom of the list, tell her your name a call. Tell them how she scrape the cotton and she scrape the blue. You throw the line and she catch the bait. But the day you're born, you don't have letter mate. Make the wire and the wait out the gate. You want goody, so you walk in straight. Oh, girl, can't make you worry. No, come on, you are being a like young girl. So you have a just excellent and quality of pass. Must get the body, then no matter where it costs. Excellent and the lead him at the pass. And it's a property and you will spend up it. Last night when she passed in the box and she goes there this morning and we were like I said, this is in my mind, it's like a near begin. I say my vision just like the bracelet, then up me pop up the line. And that's the bed, see it up, but she don't pick it up yet. The way they want the girl, they give her the red carpet. From the barn and the cook, see the girl, they never forget it. Excellent, must get the body, they no matter what it costs. You need a want the body late night preaching. You need a tell them about enough and keeping. Not play the case for the teaching. Now look how far it's reaching. Can't get all before them young. Them girls are too easy to done. Woman, you got your education, inspiration. I don't know what say you're not depend bam bam. I independent today. Louis say them I like you and them I fight you, but that can't stop your inner life. I'm not the one to be blamed. Listen, I better lose that man. Kashia, I love you. Woo! Louis culture. Louis culture. Take a sec, Louis culture, take a sec. You take off the S off a strip of band chest. Take off the B off a Batman belly. Turn it around and take a sec. Hey, come on, we're really no fret. Take a sec. Hey, tell me go on your debate. I look at them a worry and I look at them a fret. And hey, listen. Hold on. This is one of the original version in here. Jagga B from Spoilers, pick up yourself. Hector, pick up yourself. Sin, let's go make it wrong. Mr. Gregory Isaac is not here tonight. I don't want to sing it with me. Talking to the ladies, loving on the baby. Sing it to me. Right go. Meet me at the corner. Link with up. Hey, down here Avenue. How we knock it down, we them think up. And habitation, yeah. We have a natural route to a drink up. Hey, waiting there for you. Holiday on the life, girl. Sing with me. I said to tune in till tune in till I'm morning. Tune in your Mrs. Strand. I tell you, because I like it like that. When we love it like that. Yes, we say we love it like that. The rest I love it like that, yeah. Think about you love it like that. We uptight. Well, tonight is like a dance, what a beautiful sight. We have the advance, one of us are overfight. Woman feels so right, me have the younger, but then I say, meet me at the corner. Oh, yeah. Woo! Louis Culture! Yes, indeed. Papa Biggie! Where's Cornell Levy? Yes, indeed.
Papa, DJ Where's Cornell Levy? Ian, where's Shanks? Sean, Shanks, Mr. Shanks, come up on stage.
Let me say one more thing. It's the shampoo Sunday. Can't miss it tonight. So who ready to go home, turn on. Big up.
Yeah, Shanks.
When it's after party, ladies ring up.
Now, people of Atlanta, Georgia, Lithuania, my name is Papa Biggie, and this is the team of Legends in Concert team. Come step up, man. People have to come see you.
Yeah, man, show them a sound place.
People see you here. Shanks, come show your face for the long here, man. Sean, well, this is the great Mr. Sean. This is Dr. Cornell Levy, otherwise called DJ Kappa. Is a Jamaican, but he's a lecturer and professor. See? This is Mr. Shanks. You see the man here? Without the show, the infrastructure, the seniors are nice. This man responsible for it. You see this man responsible for all the logistics in terms of transportation and all that. His name Ian. See? So this is what Sean there. This man now, see? This man play a pivotal role where without this man, the show still couldn't happen. See? His name Sean. And even one of the man where deals straight up with the straight logistics, the flyers them, the promotional things them, where say this man are irresponsible and more. Now we have one man who is missing out of the team. His name is Alwyn. And he's not here tonight. Anyway, I'm there seeing. And big up everyone who come to the show because the show is for a reason.